So somebody, I don't have my book. Somebody read the March 6th.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Paid cash for insurance, $250.
Okay. So what's the first question we need to ask ourselves?
What account is affected?
What accounts are affected? Okay. So what's one account that's going to be affected? Insurance. Cash.
And prepaid insurance.
Prepaid insurance. Okay. Again, I've been doing this a while, so I know prepaid insurance goes first. And cash is going to go second. Second question.
How is each account classified?
How is each classified? Prepaid insurance is an
Asset.
asset. Cash is an
Asset.
asset. Okay. So how are we? Are we having more insurance or less insurance?
More.
More. Okay. Do we have less cash now or more cash?
Yes.
Less. So how do I record an increase to an asset?
You have to add whatever amount, in this case would be 250 to the left side.
Left side. Right. So I'm going to put 250 on the left side. Okay. How do I record a decrease to cash?
Put 250 on the right side.
250 on the credit side or the right side. Okay. Questions about that? All right. Last transaction for this exercise.
Paid cash on account to Supply Depot, $80.
All right. So what two accounts are affected?
Cash.
Cash.
Accounts payable.
Accounts payable. I'm going to abbreviate it. Hyphen Supply Depot. Okay. So, how are each classified? Accounts payable is a what?
Liability.
Liability. Cash?
Asset.
Asset. How are we changing the Supply Depot? We going up or down? Do we owe more money now or less after we make this payment?
Less.
Less. We have more cash or less cash?
Less.
Less. So decrease in both. How do I record a decrease to a liability? Debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit. Okay. So I'm going to put $80 on the debit side. How do I record a decrease to cash?
Credit.
$80 on the credit side.
80 on the credit. Okay. Any questions about that? All right. I don't want